Gemmen's Ace Hardware. Ready to give your deck a new look? I will guide you through prepping and staining your deck for a beautiful new finish. Let's get going with Gemmen's. Before you get started, check the local weather to pick a dry date for your project. Make sure you have the right supplies. You'll need a wood cleaner, a pad, and a painter's tape, and of course the stain. Use painter's tape to protect areas around your deck that you don't want to stain. This helps keep your work neat and professional. When applying the stain, start with the edges using a brush for precision. For larger areas, a pad makes the job quicker and easier. Always follow the wood grain for the best results. After staining, let the deck dry according to the stain manufacturer's instructions. For deeper color and extra protection, a second coat might be necessary. For more tips and supplies, visit us at Gemmen's Ace Hardware. We're here to help you with all your home improvement projects.